I'm Pinellas County Commission Chair Pat Gerard. Welcome to this week's update about the county's COVID-19 response. I'll share the latest reports from the Department of Health, how the county and partners continue to proactively prepare for and respond to this threat, and the resources you need to stay informed. Earlier today, the Department of Health shared the latest report for Pinellas County. As of this broadcast, we have 428 local cases of coronavirus, with 79 hospitalizations and sadly 10 deaths. Our sincere condolences go out to these families affected by COVID-19. Unfortunately, we know that these numbers will continue to rise. Now more than ever, we need to stay focused on social distancing and making sure we only leave home for essential services and essential work. Lives are on the line, and our top priority is to protect you to the greatest possible extent. To that end, yesterday I signed the extension of the declaration of local state of emergency and all other previous actions for another 7 days. This means that our public beaches and beach parking areas will remain closed at least through April 17th. We also remain under the governor's statewide order that requires all residents to stay home and limit travel only to essential services or essential work. The state has issued the list of what is considered essential. At the county, we are tasked with implementing the state order as issued, with local law enforcement ensuring the appropriate compliance. None of this is easy. In our communities, individuals are struggling with loneliness and unemployment. Families are trying to make ends meet, and local businesses are hurting. There isn't a single aspect of our lives that has not been affected by COVID-19. But what gives me great hope is how we're finding new and creative ways to connect with one another. In a sense, we are coming together without being together. Every day, thousands of people in this community are doing the right thing by practicing social distancing. Some local businesses have switched production gears to start manufacturing PPE, or personal protective equipment, for our health workers and first responders. At the county, our response remains just as strong. Our leadership, staff, community partners, and agencies continue to work around the clock, coordinating resources, the logistics, and supplies to make sure we are prepared for what lies ahead. We have several areas of focus. One in particular has been working with our local businesses. Our county administrator and sheriff have continued to provide guidance as to what is and isn't an essential business under the governor's order. I personally have seen a lot of the questions that are coming in. An important point of clarification is that non-essential businesses are closed to the public under the state order. A lot of people continue to wonder why that is so. It goes back to the governor's executive order 20-91. The statewide order requires everyone to stay home and only go out for essential work or services. In other words, the order limits travel outside the home to essential business only. Why is that important? First, it reduces the opportunities for COVID-19 to spread. Remember, this virus is often transmitted by people who appear to be in perfect health. Also, these actions help preserve our emergency medical services so they can focus on the increasing need to help COVID-19 patients. Health workers and first responders caring for people with coronavirus use a lot more PPE than would be needed for other types of response. By protecting our resources today, we will make sure they're available when we need them most, especially as this peaks and through the expected surge. So how are we helping our community push through this marathon? First, we have curated many resources for businesses and individuals on our special COVID-19 resource website. Businesses that are struggling financially will find links to loan and grant programs by visiting pced.org. Our economic development staff continues to process loan applications to get relief to our local businesses, and they are continuously updating the site. Our staff at Visit St. Pete Clearwater has launched a Brighter Days Ahead campaign and is welcoming ideas from local businesses on how patrons can continue to support them during this time. You can find all the details at vspc.info. Speaking of businesses, I want to take a moment and thank all of those that continue to step up and donate PPE. Also, thank you to those who are working with our staff to prototype and produce alternative PPE. Thanks to these efforts, we are seeing the daily production of thousands of face masks for our workers on the front lines manufactured right here in Pinellas. And that's just one example. We continue to hold calls with our hospital partners to finalize surge plans and work to procure enough PPE to carry them through a spike in COVID-19 patients. Our fire and EMS agencies are also talking on a daily basis to make sure first responders have sufficient PPE gear and coordinate response efforts. We continue to coordinate with nursing home and assisted living facilities throughout the county to make sure they have preventive plans in place and measures. Staff recently met with dialysis providers to discuss alternate care plans and options for patients with transportation needs. In addition, we are working to address transportation needs for those patients testing positive for COVID-19. We continue supporting our homeless population by making sure that people who need to be quarantined have a safe place to stay. We are also working to identify additional locations where first responders and others who cannot isolate or quarantine at home can go. Food banks and nonprofits working with our feeding working group have set up locations in every corner of the county where kids and adults can easily get a meal. These locations and volunteer opportunities are available on our COVID-19 website. We are also supporting more seniors through expanded Meals on Wheels service. Our community Wellbeing work group continues to tap local volunteers to conduct wellness checks on seniors who live alone. They are also making sure all of our communities are being supported with resources and services that address their most pressing needs. We have created a subcommittee to facilitate the processing of approximately $250 million from the Federal CARES Act. The funds are anticipated to come to Pinellas to help people and businesses most affected by COVID-19. Staff is awaiting additional federal guidelines on eligibility and criteria. With so much uncertainty and financial stress building, our behavioral health providers will be key to helping our community cope with the impacts of COVID-19. Directions for Living has set up an emotional support line for English and Spanish-speaking individuals. If you feel you need to talk to someone, give them a call at the number shown on the screen. The county has been actively promoting this helpline, and we will be hosting a live Facebook event with the CEO of Directions for Living, April Lott, a mental health professional, next Wednesday. To participate, tune into the county's Facebook page at noon. For more help with mental health concerns or other needs, you can call 211. For more general questions about local resources that are available, call our Citizen Information Center from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Friday, or Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Those with hearing impairment can chat online by visiting pinellascounty.org. Now more than ever, we need to work together to push through for the good of everyone in our community. Honor those you love by following the social distancing guidelines and safer at home orders. Cheer on our first responders and health workers from home, And know that every unnecessary trip you avoid will lessen the number of people who may get the virus and need emergency help. Thanks to all our county employees, agencies, and partners who continue to keep services going while still responding to this emergency. Thanks to our workers responding to COVID-19 cases on the front lines and behind the scenes. And thank you for taking care of yourself and your neighbors. Our kindness and our commitment to continuing to do the right thing, even when it hurts, will help us save lives. Until next time, I am Pinellas County Chair Pat Gerard. Have a safe afternoon and weekend at home.